The internet has changed everything. It has revolutionized the way we live, work, and connect with each other. It connects people like never before, breaking down geographical barriers and bringing the world closer together. This connection creates amazing opportunities, allowing us to collaborate and innovate in ways that were once unimaginable. One of these opportunities is online income, a powerful way to earn money using the internet. Imagine earning money from anywhere with an internet connection, whether you're on a beach, in a bustling city, or in the comfort of your own home. That's the power of online income. It offers flexibility and freedom that traditional jobs often can't provide. Many people dream of financial freedom, the ability to live life on their own terms without being tied down by a 9-to-5 job. Online income can make that dream real, turning aspirations into reality with dedication and the right tools. You can work from home or anywhere you like, enjoying the flexibility to design your own schedule. You can be your own boss, making decisions that align with your personal and professional goals. This freedom is why online income is so appealing. It empowers individuals to take control of their financial future. But how do you start? The journey to online income can seem daunting at first. How do you find success online? What steps should you take to ensure you're on the right path? That's where Wealthy Affiliate comes in. This platform is designed to guide you every step of the way. This platform gives you the tools and knowledge to thrive online, offering comprehensive resources and support. In the next sections, we'll explore Wealthy Affiliate in detail, uncovering how it can transform your online income journey. You'll learn how it can help you achieve your online income goals, providing a roadmap to success in the digital world. Wealthy Affiliate is an online platform. It helps people build successful online businesses. Think of it as your online business school and support system, all in one. Wealthy Affiliate offers a step-by-step approach to online success. You don't need any prior experience. They teach you everything from scratch. The platform provides training, tools, and a supportive community. These resources empower you to create a website, attract visitors, and earn money online. Whether you want to start a blog, promote products, or offer your services, Wealthy Affiliate can guide you. Let's delve into how Wealthy Affiliate helps you generate income online. Wealthy Affiliate provides a comprehensive set of tools to build your online business. These tools are designed to make your journey smoother and more successful. One of the key tools is their website builder. This drag-and-drop builder makes creating a professional website easy. You don't need any coding knowledge. Another essential tool is their keyword research tool. This tool helps you find the right keywords to target. Keywords are essential for attracting visitors to your website through search engines like Google. In addition to these tools, Wealthy Affiliate offers training on various online business models. This training equips you with the knowledge and strategies to monetize your website effectively. One popular online business model that Wealthy Affiliate emphasizes is affiliate marketing. This model allows you to earn money by promoting other companies' products or services. Here's how it works. You join an affiliate program, promote a product on your website, and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Wealthy Affiliate provides extensive training on affiliate marketing. They teach you how to find profitable niches, choose the right products to promote, and optimize your website for conversions. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to generate passive income. Once you set up your website and affiliate links, you can earn money even while you sleep. Crafting your online empire, building websites that convert. In today's digital age, having a website that not only looks good but also converts visitors into customers is crucial for any online business. Your website is your online storefront. It's the first impression potential customers have of your business, and first impressions matter. It's the foundation of your online business. A well-structured website can be the difference between success and failure in the digital marketplace. Wealthy Affiliate understands this, and they provide you with the tools and training to build a website that converts visitors into customers. Their platform is designed to make the process as seamless as possible. Their website builder is user-friendly and comes with various templates. These templates are designed to cater to different industries and niches, ensuring that you find the perfect fit for your business. You can customize your website to reflect your brand and attract your target audience. Personalization is key in making your website stand out and resonate with your visitors. Wealthy Affiliate also emphasizes the importance of creating high-quality content. Content is not just about filling up pages, it's about providing value to your visitors. Content is king online, and it plays a crucial role in attracting and engaging visitors. High-quality content can drive traffic, build trust, and convert visitors into loyal customers. They teach you how to write compelling articles, create engaging videos, and much more. These skills are essential in today's content-driven world, and optimize your content for search engines. SEO is a critical component in ensuring your content reaches the right audience. Wealthy Affiliate provides comprehensive training on how to use keywords and tags effectively to boost your search engine rankings. The art of content creation captivating your audience. Content creation is the heart of online success. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media updates, your content is how you connect with your audience. Wealthy Affiliate provides in-depth training on content creation. You'll learn how to write engaging headlines, structure your content effectively, and optimize it for search engines. They also emphasize the importance of providing value to your audience. Your content should be informative, entertaining, or both. By creating high-quality content that resonates with your target audience, you establish yourself as an authority in your niche and build trust with potential customers. Search engine optimization, SEO, dominating Google's rankings. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is more important than ever. Getting your website in front of the right people is crucial for online success. It's not just about having a website, it's about making sure the right audience finds it. That's where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes in. SEO is a powerful tool that can help you reach your target audience more effectively. SEO is the art of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, or CRPs. This involves a variety of techniques and strategies designed to improve your site's visibility. Wealthy Affiliate provides comprehensive SEO training. Their courses cover everything from the basics to advanced strategies, ensuring you have all the tools you need. You'll learn how to conduct keyword research, which is essential for understanding what your potential customers are searching for. Optimize your website's content and structure, making it more appealing to both search engines and users. And build backlinks to improve your website's authority. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites, signaling to search engines that your content is valuable. They keep their training up to date with the latest Google algorithm updates, so you can be confident that you're using the most current techniques, ensuring that you're always ahead of the curve. By mastering SEO, you can stay competitive in your industry. You can drive organic traffic to your website, which is traffic that comes naturally without paid advertising. Attracting potential customers who are actively searching for products or services you offer. This means higher chances of conversions and sales, ultimately leading to business growth and success. The Wealthy Affiliate Community, your support system. One of the most significant advantages of joining Wealthy Affiliate is the supportive community. Imagine having access to thousands of like-minded individuals who understand the challenges and triumphs of online entrepreneurship. The Wealthy Affiliate Community is a vibrant hub where you can ask questions, share your experiences, and get encouragement from fellow members. Whether you're struggling with a technical issue, need feedback on your website, or simply need a motivational boost, the community is there for you 24/7. This sense of community is invaluable, especially when you're first starting and navigating the world of online business. Wealthy Affiliate success stories, inspiration at your fingertips. Wealthy Affiliate is filled with inspiring success stories from people just like you. These stories demonstrate the power of the platform and the effectiveness of their training. You'll find stories of stay-at-home parents earning a full-time income online, individuals escaping the 9-to-5 grind, and retirees achieving financial freedom through their online ventures. These success stories are not meant to boast, but to inspire and motivate you. They prove that success is achievable with hard work, dedication, and the right guidance. Wealthy Affiliate provides a platform for ordinary people to achieve extraordinary things online. Wealthy Affiliate pricing, an investment in your future. Wealthy Affiliate offers a free starter membership that gives you a taste of what the platform offers. You can access the first 10 lessons of their core training, use their website builder, and interact with the community. To unlock the full potential of Wealthy Affiliate, they offer a premium membership. The premium membership gives you access to all their training, tools, and ongoing support. While there is a cost associated with the premium membership, it's essential to view it as an investment in your future. The knowledge, skills, and connections you gain through Wealthy Affiliate can pay dividends for years to come. Unlock your online potential. Join Wealthy Affiliate today. The online world is brimming with opportunities. Wealthy Affiliate provides the roadmap, the tools, and the support system to help you seize those opportunities and achieve your online income goals. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, Wealthy Affiliate can guide you on your journey to online success. Their comprehensive training, powerful tools, and supportive community empower you to build a thriving online business. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Take the first step towards unlocking your online potential by joining Wealthy Affiliate today.